Hi everyone, I'm here to demo my project Badagry. Badagry is the first African Web3 museum project. We intend to bring African heritage and preserve our what has been handed down from our ancestors. So in Badagry, you will see various projects that we want to depict as a digital Web3 museum. So for us to start without wasting much of your time, as you can see, this is how you can mint. These are some of our collectibles. These are roadmap and other links. So this is our tour guide. The African monkey is going to tour us. So if you want to explore the marketplace, you click on here. But if you want to start the tour, you click here. So the first thing for us to do is to let me remove. Make sure you are connected on base testnet. So I want to remove this. Assuming you're a new user. So the first thing to do is you connect on base testnet. Make sure you're on base. As you can see, we are on base goalie testnet. So you click on start your tour. Once you click on start your tour, you get connected and it pulls you to where you can select your museum. So you can see what we anticipate. Currently, the first museum we've worked on is Museum of African Slave Trade, Badagry, Nigeria. So we'll work on these other museums as we progress. So that is why you see they are not highlighted. So you click on Badagry. So the Badagry Museum opens through story. Just as you go to a museum, the guide explains to you what is happening. So we have a short video here about slave trade in Africa, especially the western part of Africa, and look at the digital collectibles that you can get. You can see these NFTs. You can mint NFT 1 or NFT 2, as we have two NFTs here. You can watch your video here and you get to understand. Then we have things here that we Africans alright, I have to stop that. So you can see the information here. So because of ivory gold, other stuffs like even as cheap as mirrors, Africans were sold by their chiefs into slavery to the Europeans who actually needed manpower to walk across the Caribbean. So as you go forth, you can see the Barracuda, where those that are already captured and ready to be sent out into slavery, this is their waiting point before they leave. So this is the seashore where they are ready to pick any available ship. You can see one of the NFT here is where it is now modernized in West Africa. We call it the place of no return. Once you pass through this gate, there is no coming back. You are gone, and you are gone for good. So you can see the African slaves in the ship. So look at the NFTs you can collect. Next, so look at the reasons why most of these Africans sold their brothers. So they put this near their castle to help them save and watch what's happening. But before then, there was an abolishment by the Britain that this is dehumanizing and it's not good. So you can see we're mobilizing of support. So this is the plan of how slaves were put in ships moving into the far Caribbean, North America, South America, to help in farm work. So currently today we are free, but the actual thing is, are we actually free in Africa? This is a very big question we Africans should ask ourselves, and everyone all around the world should help in making sure that we are actually emancipated, we are actually free from the current mental slavery of poverty, deprivation, and a lot of things we Africans do to ourselves. So I believe that with this, tourists can support by getting this African slave trade icons. And once you get that, then you can see this is the leg shackle, but you can see currently it's like the Bitcoin symbol. So it could be something that is a prophecy that from this something great is happening. So after that is the end of the museum slide. You can push you direct into the marketplace where you can make and purchase more collectibles for yourself. I believe this is a great tour and a little story of African slave trade. So click on home. We return back to our home. If you like it, please vote for it. Thank you and God bless.